I wanted to make a video of a new CPU block, water block I got. It's UC-2 by Phobya, and it was only like less than $20. And this is and you see it's got like a lot of like imperfections and like it looks like some kind of oiling or something. And for $20, you can't beat it. But you just have to buy $4 worth of a kit for buffing compound, like Jeweler's Rouge. And then you just have to clean off the block, the inside of the block. The inside of the block, you can see that it's pretty good. It's not too bad. So I'm going to leave the insides alone. And then I'm only going to worry about the outside, because this is the side that actually touches the processor. So you don't have to worry about the inside. So I'm going to start cleaning the water block. You really need 2 hands for this. Huh. But I only have 1 hand. So I gotta put something that will not move. So I got
And that's all, folks.